09 James here. I was driving by and I saw an abandoned refrigerators laying around on the ground. Most of the stuff was torn apart. The doors was off, and it was laying with this one up towards the sky, and it was still attached. So I took the frame nuts off. They held that on there, and it popped right off, and this was still connected. So I had no wire cutter, so I just bent it to break it off. This was already broken off, so, and this one's already melted. All the Freon was out of it, I guess. There's a bunch of oil all over the back of the refrigerator. So I took a chance on it, brought it home, and plug it in. It's sucking air. It's blowing air out this side. And it's working. I plan to make a silent air compressor when I get the right materials. But all I do know is this works, and I'm going to use it to make a air compressor. Thanks. Bye. Update you later.